Some places in the world are so restricted that no tourist, no billionaire, and not even world leaders can step inside. Why? Because they hold secrets, dangers, or treasures that must be protected at all costs. Today, we're taking you on a journey through 7 of the most mysterious and completely off-limits locations on Earth. Number 1. The Coca-Cola Vault. Hidden in Atlanta, Georgia, the Coca-Cola Vault protects a recipe that has been one of the most well-kept secrets for over a century. Created by John S. Pemberton in 1886, the formula for Coca-Cola is so secret that only a few executives in the company know it. The vault, located in the World of Coca-Cola Museum, is highly secured with motion sensors, steel walls, and biometric scanners. It is said that no single person has full access to the recipe. Different parts are divided among executives to ensure it remains a secret. Over the years, many have tried to crack the formula, but Coca-Cola's unique blend of ingredients remains one of the most valuable trade secrets in history. Number 2. The Vatican Secret Archives. Tucked beneath Vatican City, the Vatican Secret Archives hold some of the world's most valuable and controversial historical documents. These records date back more than 1,200 years and contain letters from kings, emperors, and popes. One of the most famous documents stored here is a letter from Michelangelo, complaining about unpaid wages while he was painting the Sistine Chapel. Another includes the trial records of Galileo Galilei, who was convicted of heresy for supporting the idea that the Earth revolves around the sun. The archive spans over 50 miles of shelves, and only a handful of elite scholars with special permission are allowed to study its contents. The general public will never get to see what truly lies inside. Number 3. North Sentinel Island. Located in the Bay of Bengal, North Sentinel Island is home to the Sentinelese people, one of the last uncontacted tribes in the world. They have lived in complete isolation for more than 60,000 years, resisting all attempts at contact. In 2006, 2 fishermen accidentally drifted too close to the island and were killed by the tribe. Even the Indian government, which technically owns the island, has banned all travel within a 3-mile radius to protect both the tribe and outsiders. Since the Sentinelese have no immunity to modern diseases, contact could wipe them out completely. To this day, the island remains one of the most dangerous and restricted places on Earth. Number 4. Area 51. Deep in the Nevada desert, Area 51 is one of the most mysterious places in the world. Established during the Cold War in 1955, the facility is believed to be used for testing top-secret aircraft and military technology. The base became famous due to conspiracy theories about UFOs and extraterrestrial life. Many believe that alien spacecraft were recovered and hidden there after the infamous 1947 Roswell crash. No one is allowed to enter Area 51 without special government clearance. The airspace above the base is also restricted, and security forces are authorized to use deadly force against trespassers. Despite all the secrecy, the U.S. government insists that the base is just for military research, though many remain unconvinced. Number 5. Snake Island. Off the coast of Brazil lies Ilha da Queimada Grande, also known as Snake Island. This island is home to thousands of golden lancehead vipers, one of the deadliest snakes in the world. Their venom can cause massive internal bleeding, kidney failure, and even death within an hour. With an estimated 1 snake per square meter, the Brazilian government has declared the island completely off-limits to the public. The only people allowed to visit are researchers with special permits, accompanied by trained medical professionals. Some legends claim that a fisherman who landed on the island was found dead in his boat, covered in snake bites. Whether true or not, one thing is clear: Snake Island is one of the most dangerous places on Earth. Number 6. Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Located on a remote Arctic island in Norway, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault is designed to protect the world's most important crops in case of a global catastrophe. It holds over 1 million seed samples from nearly every country, ensuring that if war, climate change, or natural disasters wipe out crops, humanity can still survive. The vault is buried deep inside a mountain, making it resistant to earthquakes, nuclear attacks, and even rising sea levels. Although scientists and government officials occasionally visit, the vault remains off-limits to the general public. If there's ever an apocalyptic event, this vault could be one of humanity's last hopes for rebuilding the food supply. Number 7. The Lascaux Caves. Discovered in 1940 in southwestern France, the Lascaux Caves contain some of the most stunning prehistoric cave paintings in the world. These 600-plus images, estimated to be over 17,000 years old, depict ancient animals such as bulls, deer, and horses, giving us a glimpse into early human life. However, human presence in the cave caused the paintings to deteriorate due to bacteria and mold brought in by visitors. To protect these ancient artworks, the caves were permanently closed to the public in 1963. Instead, the French government built an exact replica called Lascaux II, where visitors can experience the beauty of the original paintings without causing further damage. These 7 locations remain some of the most mysterious and restricted places on Earth. Whether it's protecting secrets, preserving history, or avoiding danger, they remind us that there are still places humans cannot access, no matter how much we want to. Which one intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible content. Thanks for watching.